In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a free EDU backlink from a high authority domain site. Here I have over 20 plus EDU and then the government backlink sites. Then I will add these backlinks one by one, and if I get it more followers and likes and shares for this particular video, so these are the all of them is working perfectly. So I will add these backlinks videos one by one. Please follow this particular channel. And you guys can see the details over here. This particular site domain authority is 88 and it has got around more than 248k backlinks to this website, and it also have around 6700 of them do follow backlinks. So, and also this particular site page rank is actually 7. You guys can see from here, and these guys also have Alex rank is around 18,500 something, and these guys got a external backlinks of around 600k, and referring domains is around 2600, and it also have a edu backlinks and from the domains so many, and you also can get more details of this site is over here. So you guys can see here it also got a government sites backlinks also from these many domains. And these are the details about this particular site. And now I want to show you guys how you can actually create a free I will show you guys now how to create a backlinks from this particular site. So please go to this particular link, and I will show this link. You can see here later. So once you are on this page, just click on the register icon and then enter any name, so whichever name you think is okay, and then you guys can just add in any details what you want, and then you can create this particular site will not give you any what is that is email to confirm, but if you want to add your own email ID, you can also add in. Others just put any dummy email ID, or else you want to temporary email, you can go to this particular page site. I will add these details over in my description later. So you create any one email ID, fresh email ID, then you copy that email, go back to this page and add those details over here and confirm the same email ID one more time, then enter some password to this particular site. Then after you add all these details, just click on to register this page. So once you done the registration, so you will be on this page here, and you guys can see here you can go to this particular corner icon, then you click on your profile. So currently your profile is empty here, nothing, no details are there. So if you add your profile details and then the link backlink, then you will see later at this section those details will appear. For that, what you need to do is go to your settings. In these settings you can see here there are many things. There your name is there, user ID is there, and then your email ID. And then what you need to do is you can, if you want, you can put in your LinkedIn also and your Twitter also. So this is the trick here. You need to put your site backlink whatever you want to create it. So you need to enter your URL over here. So I just put my one of the URL here, and then you want to put in title and all those things, up to you guys, you can add in. But in this bio you just write about your whatever your site. You put in maximum 250 characters. What I do is, this site is actually, this blog post is actually, it is about how to get a free temp email ID for your use. So I will not add in more of these things. I just maybe copy same only one single sentence, but I suggest for you you put in around 250 characters, then it will be good. So once you done this portion, you just click on update profile. So once you click on update profile, so your profile has been updated and your link has been added and your bio also updated. So next you go back to this profile page one more time and see how it looks, your content. You guys can see your link is appear here and the content whatever you put it over here. That's why if you add in the 250 characters, your content will be more. So that's so easy for indexing this particular page. So once after you've done this this portion, copy this link and go to any of the free indexing sites. Then you can actually index this website, try to index this page, then it will be this link will be indexed faster. For example, free indexing free link indexing sites, maybe I do not know which one will help. So you guys can find some of these sites here. Go to this particular indexing site. Yeah, so they say enter your URL over here, quick list or full list. So full list means I think you may need to log in, register this one, then they will allow you to enter login. Then otherwise just press processing. So it will actually index your the backlink whatever you just now created. So I suggest if you want more backlinks, so they say around 260 links they will give you. So if you guys want it, you can actually find even few more sites and then you can try to index it, or else copy this particular page, copy this link and add any of your video, so it will index this links very faster. That is the best option. So you guys know how to do all those things. So but this is how you can get a backlinks from a very high authority domain edu sites. So this domain authority is around 88 and page rank is 7. So I hope you guys like this particular tip. So if you want more backlinks, please follow me. I will add in weekly basis. You guys can see here I have over 20 plus edu and then the government backlink sites. Then I will add these backlinks one by one, and if I get it more followers and likes and shares for this particular video, so these are the all of them is working perfectly. So I will add these backlinks videos one by one. Please follow this particular channel. So I will actually give you guys more and more. Currently I already have a couple of videos for you guys to show. You guys can go and visit my page here, so I can show you guys safe backlink. And if you see here, go to backlinks session. Here I already gave you one already, the domain authority 57 edu backlinks. This particular page still works perfectly and without any issue, and still you can get it the backlink from this particular site. And also I give you guys how to get it do follow backlinks from the Reddit. So you guys can see here, go and check this site here. This is this typo error, I will correct it. So this is how we can actually create edu backlinks from a high domain authority sites. So please, as I mentioned, follow my channel. I will give you guys all these backlinks one after the other, so you just get it a weekly basis one by one. So thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and like this video and follow my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.